Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Review Chains. Today I'm going to show you a video on how to connect your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller to your smartphone. This is going to be a very easy and very short tutorial, and it's going to work out of the box, and it's going to work with a lot of games that support controllers. But if you'd like to play games like PUBG Mobile with the PlayStation 5 controller, there's a video coming out soon. I'm working on it right now, so just hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to see how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller, there are already previous videos out there. So let's get started. So the first step that we have to do is take this beautiful controller. As you can see here, you have a PlayStation logo. This PlayStation logo is the power button, and here you have this other button. If you press the PlayStation logo and this button together at the same time and hold them in, just like this, voila, then you will see this blue light flashing around this white space on your PlayStation 5 controller. Voila. Let's put it aside for a bit. Now, we need to take our smartphone, turn it on, go to our Bluetooth settings, hold it, and now just pair a new device. As you can see, wireless controller is just right here. You press it, voila. Pair, allow access to your contacts and call histories. It's not necessary. Just pair your controller with your phone, and voila, it's paired. Now that it is paired, we can just start the game. For example, let's start Fortnite. And let's put our smartphone here and put this to the side. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I'm playing with my PlayStation 5 controller, the new PlayStation 5 DualSense controller, and it works just fine. Actually, if you want to change your controls or something, you can just do that in the control panel. It's very easy. And as I said before, there are games that are not supported with the controller, and there's a solution for that, for example, for PUBG. And there's a video coming out soon. So if you like to see that, just hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, of course, write them down below. And I actually don't play this game, I'm just walking around. Voila. Have a nice day. This was Review Chains for you. Stay safe.